What's up guys, it's Karl here today and welcome to my first ever video blog on how to install a mail server using virtual machine. This video is a partial requirements on our subject platform technology advised by Mr. John R.B. C. Babia. And of course, this video covers the setup, OS installation, and PHP installation. So without further ado, let's begin. We are using this Oracle VM VirtualBox application, and inside it this will be its UI. Click on new, type in some name like for example Corona Slackware 2020. Type would be Linux since we are creating a virtual Linux version. Will be this one, Linux 64-bit. Hit next, next, create, next, next, and create. Right there. Once done, click on start button. So we're in. It says select startup disk. We should be first using this Slackware ISO and hit on start. Hit enter to boot the default kernel. It says enter one to select a keyboard map. Select this one, QWERTY US.map, and type in 1. You may now log in as root. Now, to partition our hard drives, let's use the cfdisk command. Now, hit on new, primary, and let's allocate some 2000 MB size. Click on begin and type. Double hit enter so that the FS type will set into Linux swap. Down here, click on new, primary, and leave it by default. Now hit bootable, right, and type in yes. Now click on quit. Once done, let's go to its proper setup. Here, select target, click select, OK, ext4, and it's formatting. Now hit OK, OK, auto, and it should be scanning. Once found, deselect all of these choices except this A, AP, and D, and this L and N. Now hit OK, full, and full installation would probably be starting. Now let's just pause this for a bit and let's be back once done. Now we're done installing things up and we should be redirected here. Now click on skip, simple, and should be finding this one, 1024 times 768 times 64K. Okay, click OK, no, MBR, hit OK, no, configure network, nope, OK, console font, no, nope, and let's select the Asia Manila time zone, which is right here. Hit OK. Would you like to set a root password? Nope. Click OK. And we're done. Let's go to exit. Now, we should be probably restarting our system, but before that, let's go to storage, and under the controller IDE, you can see it's empty. Click on this one, this little button right here, click this one and choose all packages and hit OK. Now let me just tell you about all packages and Slackware ISO. These two guys right here. This one is used upon installing or setting up our virtual machine, while this one, the all packages ISO, is used for activating or we have the chance to use the packages essential for installing our OS. Now, uh, once done loading the all packages file, let's type in reboot and the system will reboot. Mhm. Capture. Now we're done setting things up. Let's focus on our CLI. It says here, welcome to Linux. Darkstar login, as usual, root, and first on the line is cd, which stands for change directory. Let's go to cd/home. Next is mount space dev slash cdrom space slash mnt slash cdrom. Oh, special device does not exist. Why is that possible? Let's go back. Why is not? We're encountering some errors here. So let's go back to storage. Just making sure. Hit OK. And again, hit on reboot. Now we're done. We have encountered some errors. So what I did is just reboot the system because probably the all packages ISO has not yet loaded. Now we're back on Darkstar login as usual, root and cd, change directory into home. After home, should mount dev slash cdrom space slash mnt slash cdrom. Right there. That's what the O packages is all about. Now next is mkdir or make directory. We're making the packages directory. Now let's go to cd/mnt slash packages. Packages. Wait, not packages. cdrom. cdrom. Yeah. After that, we should cp copy all slash packages. Next is we should go to packages. After that, type in tar space minus xzvf bind and just hit tab there. After that, cd bind, just hit tab, and let's configure it. So how to configure? Just type in /configure space minus minus prefix equals /usr /local/dns, and it's configuring. Once done configuring, uh, type in make $& make install, make install. After the make install, let's go to /usr/local/dns. Once in the DNS, let's hit ifconfig eth0 10.10.10.1. Netmask is 255.255.255.0. We're just setting our network. Hit enter. After that, let's go to etc. And let me introduce this Pico. Pico is the virtual machines editor, text editor. So let's say Pico named .conf. Now here, let's type in options. Then directory double quotes /usr/local/dns/var. Next is zone double quotation, and inside it is type hint and file double quotation root.hint. And last one would be zone zone double quotation example.com. Inside this zone example.com is type master and file will be example.com. Right there. No errors, I think. Now let's just hit Control X and Y and enter. Now we're done. Now let's go back to changing directories. cd./var. So it just simply says let's go back to var. Now in var, again, we will be using Pico, the text editor. So type in Pico example.com. Now inside the example.com, we'll put in $TTL20, enter, $origin example.com, and a dot. Hit enter. At triple hit the tab button and type in tab button, SOA tab button, and in line here is example.com dot root dot example.com dot, and some open parentheses. Inside the open parentheses is 20, 200, 10, and 60. Hit enter. 8H, again enter. You should be putting this with H in line with the example.com. 4H, 2H, and lastly 1D. Now have some closing parentheses. Now hit enter. Again, line it with IN, and here is NS. Here put some ns1.example.com dot. Hit enter, and here put in ns1.example.com dot tab in tab a tab 10.10.10.1. Hit enter. Example.com dot tab in tab a tab copy the above numbers, 10.10.10.1. Hit enter. Next is www. In here, cname, hit tab example.com dot. Hit enter. Next is mail, tab in tab cname tab example.com dot, and yeah, that's it. Now hit on Control X, Y, and enter. Now, after editing our example.com, let's go to Pico. Again, Pico /etc/resolve.conf. Hit enter. Now here, change the .net into .com. Enter. Name server is 10.10.10.1. Name server 10.10.10.1. Hit Control X, Y, and enter. After that, type in touch, which is basically mean to create touch root dot hint. Create root dot hint. Hit enter, and after touch that root dot hint, type in /usr slash local slash dns slash sbin slash named slash named space minus fg space minus c space /usr slash local slash dns slash etc slash named dot conf space ampersand. Now hit enter. Good. Now let's try to ping the example.com by typing in ping. Oh, wait a minute. Hit enter first. Ping example.com. Right there, the system is pinging. Now to double check, type in ns lookup example.com. Right there, it says the name is example.com. The address is 10.10.10.1. Now the OBS. That's how to install the OS on our mail server. Now let's proceed on installing it with PHP files. Now to go to PHP files, let's first go to cd slash packages cd slash packages. After that, tar minus xzvf x x tar xzvf http then hit tab httpd tab. Right there. Once done, go to that httpd something right there. Once in, again, let's configure it by putting some /configure configure minus prefix equals /usr slash local slash apache for a minute. Apache. It's enable. Minus. Enable. Enable. Minus module equals so. Equals so. Module equals so. There. Now let's wait for it. Once done, again, type in make double ampersand make install. Make install. Now let's wait for it to be done. Now it's done. Let's type in change directory dot dot. So what does cd dot dot means? It's just changing directories backwards. So since we're in httpd -2.2.19, since we've typed in cd dot dot, we're now in the packages directory. After that, type in tar space -xzvf space php -5. There, just hit tab. Now enter. Oh, now it's done. Let's go to that directory cd space php, then hit tab. Now once in, again let's configure it by /configure space no, not prefix, with minus apxs 2 equals /usr /local /apache /bin /apxs apxs. Good. So far so good. Now after that, again let's hit make double ampersand make install. No make file found. Now we have again encountered some errors. It says no targets specified and no make file found. Stop. So let's go back into configuring this thing. It says that slash configure no, just see the history. Oh, it's right there. Nope. So that slash configure space minus with minus apxs 2 equals /usr /local /apache /bin /apxs then hit enter. There you go. Now after configuring, should probably be ending with this one right here. Now type in make $& make install right there. Now while waiting for it to install, let's go to a new terminal by hitting Alt F2. Now it says log in. You'll be logging as root. So on our new terminal, type in cd space /usr /local /apache /phone. After that, we'll be using again Pico and edit httpd dot conf. There. Now, first, uh, first to look for and make changes is the server name. Server name. Right there. After server name, let's go to directory index. Directory index. It's kind of hard to find these dudes right here. Right there. Directory index and type in index.php. After that, find add type. Find add type. Add type is right here. This one. Now here, put some add type space application /x minus httpd minus php space .php. Next is the virtual host. Virtual host. Right here. Under the virtual host, just remove the number sign and after that, just hit save. Control X, Y, and enter. Now, let's go to extra. Now in extra, again let's use Pico and edit httpd minus vhost .conf. Now here, two things to look in mind: the virtual host 80 and below it. You just have to change, I mean remove by hitting Control K here, the server alias, the error log, and the custom log. Same goes here, the server admin. Leave the document root and the server name, and remove the error log and custom log. After that, change the dummy host into www, and the docs, add some ht right here. After changing the htdocs, remove this example.com. Now below it, just remove the dummy host and change in www. Same goes in here. Remove this dummy host example.com and type in mail, and add some ht on the docs, and in here change it into mail. Done. Hit Ctrl X, Y, and enter. Now after that, let's type in cd dot dot, which says let's go back from extra to conf. Once in conf, again hit cd dot dot. So we're probably in conf. We'll then go back to Apache. Now in Apache, let's go to cd htdocs. Once in htdocs, mkdir or make directory www, and make directory mail. After that, copy or cp index.html www and cp index.html mail. Now let's go to cd www. Once in the directory www, let's again use pico to edit test.php. Now in here, put in some codes like some open PHP and some closing PHP. Inside it is PHP info. Right there. Now hit Ctrl X, Y, and enter. Now once done, let's activate it by typing in //local/apache/bin/apache ctl space start. So again, we have encountered some errors again. We forgot to add in the server name, and mm, set its port into 80. Now let's go back to the www directory, and let's let let's stop it first before starting it again. Uh, so start it again. Slash usr slash local slash apache slash bin slash apache ctl, and start. Right there, no error. Now to test, type in links www.example.com. Now it says it works. Now just hit quit and Y. After that, let's go to links space www.example.com slash test.php. Now there you go. We have fully seen or encountered the PHP interface. Now that would be all on our mail server installation, and I hope you understand despite so many errors and uh, the incapacity of speaking English fluently. So that will be all. This is Karl Niño Gallogo again, and I'm signing out.